A fun little space. I've got a pocket here. I have a pocket here. How fun is that? You should see the ginormous mess on my counter. I literally dumped the entire contents out so I could get a good look at everything, and now it's just in a pile in the corner. YouTube secrets. Yeah. So I was in the Facebook group this morning, and Valerie, who's very sweet, says, "Oh, Kim, I love your videos." And I said, "Well, what videos do you like or want to see more of?" And she's like, "I love your pocket videos." And I'm like, "Okay, let's go." What I'm gonna do is just cut up from the bottom here until about 5, and then I'm gonna cut over because I'm gonna keep this. So when I went online to my own YouTube channel and I noticed I had 21 videos about pockets, I was like, wow, I think I have a thing for pockets. So my thought for this, oh, this is gonna look so cool. I didn't even know that those were there. It's like I did it intentionally, which I did not. So what I'm planning to do is I am making a cover pocket, and I'm gonna do this. I had a vision when I went online to look at the YouTube video. I found one that I did a long time ago where I used Project Life sheets where it had the little sections of plastic. Well, I thought, well, why can't I just recreate that here? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of adhesive to create 2 different pockets. And then I'm gonna like notch this and then stick something this way, but then also have a pocket up here. So that is my plan right now. Just need one because that is where I'm folding it over, and then the adhesive here adheres to the front here. Let's do that. Just a fun fact, my sister, she likes to do lots of scrapbooking, and she is a massive corner rounder. She just loves when she has rounded corners. So this is in honor of my sister, rounded corners. And so my thought was I wanted something around the size clear on the back side. That is exactly what I'm gonna do. And so there's a scenario in which I like this, and that's exactly what's gonna happen. That's gonna look like that. I'm gonna do it up here. It'll look better. And then I'll just put this here and then freehand cut it. How about I do an exterior pocket on this one as well? I think that'll look cute. Okay, we're gonna attach this to this because I think it would be cute to have a flap. So instead of adhering it flat, I can just do it on 3 sides. That way I have a double pocket, one in front and one in back. Behind, that'll be cute. Let's go ahead and start attaching everything together, and then we can decorate the rest of it. We can put a journal card in this pocket, but let's go ahead and put a tab on it or something. That'll look good. I think it looks cute. Let's go ahead and put a book around it. There's so many more pockets you can add. You can put one on the inside cover and put it in our traveler's notebook. So we're all set for September. That's so fun. A fun little space. I've got a pocket here. I have a pocket here. I'll decorate that in a little while. And I have 2 pockets back here, one in here, one here, and then a secret one behind that has our sticky notes. How fun is that? Had a good time. Thank you, Valerie. I appreciate your love, and you've got all your pockets. Bye.